Hey guys, today I'll show you a working method that no one knows about. To recover WhatsApp view once photos and videos, kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. The first method is to use another phone to record before opening the view once photo or video, but if you don't have another device, kindly use the second method. As soon as your request is sent to WhatsApp, all your view once photos and videos will be sent to your mail in few hours. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.